The last time Roy designed our home, it was perfect for us at that stage in our lives. But as we grew, so did our taste and needs. In our previous home, we tended to keep things that represented us hidden away in our rooms. But this time, we wanted those elements to be upfront, where we could see and enjoy them every day. Take this bookshelf and the perfume cabinet, for instance. We wanted these to be more visible, and Roy understood that. He designed our home to accommodate these desires. We also wanted our home to have a darker tone, so we could add pops of color with non-permanent fixtures like pictures, lamps, and faux plants. We even explored the idea of not having ceiling lights. When we said we wanted a dark theme, Roy didn't just stop with paint colors and carpentry. He suggested experimenting with more standing lamps, and we loved that idea. When Roy showed us the 3D drawings, it was exactly what we see here today. We didn't need to make any edits because he understood how we've evolved and what our lifestyle is like now. When it came down to the carpentry and overall design, we learned a lot from how we lived in our previous place. Roy really took the time to understand our lifestyle and what would make living here comfortable for us. He considered everything, from the height and the size of our cupboards, to the limitations of not having a storeroom, and even dealing with bay windows. Even our furniture choices were made in consultation with Roy. He reviewed everything we were considering and gave us his stamp of approval. We entrusted almost everything to Roy and his team. The process was so seamless that we could be hands-off, knowing that Roy was deeply involved. His team was also very accommodating, friendly, and easy to work with. That's something people often overlook. It's not just about the aesthetics and the design, it's also about the peace of mind you get from a smooth renovation process. If we ever move again, we'll definitely work with Roy. It was such a pleasant experience. He just gets it. He has an incredible eye for aesthetics and designs beautiful, stylish homes.